I'm Josh. 3 contractors, 1 in jail, 1 disappears with my money, and the other can't work because his marriage is falling apart. After a year of contractor hell, being out thousands of dollars, I finally found one who would take me to the end. So if you're in the Martinsburg, West Virginia to Winchester, Virginia and surrounding area, pay attention. I've got someone you need to know about. Alright. If you watched the previous video on the basement build, you'll know that I had all the framing up, I did the HVAC, I did the electric, all that stuff. And I've had quite the challenge finding the right contractor to do the job to bring it home. I went through several that, whatever, didn't work out. So we're in a construction zone, and you never show the client the product in the middle of the job. That's what Boston Flipper says. But we're gonna walk into the middle of this project right now, give you a quick update because it should be coming to a close in like 3 weeks. That's what my contractor said. So, construction zone. You can see it's a mess. All right, let's step inside, see how we're coming. Again, we're gonna have a built-in right up here. This is the kitchenette in here. We'll have a built-in seating over here. And yeah, so we'll have the sink, there's the plumbing and whatnot. So this is just, we still have to do some more work on this, but this has paint. This is the workout zone in here. We're gonna put a very large television right there in that spot. I put special blocking in the wall to secure it. We'll have a speaker coming through here, and we'll have a built-in here, built-in here. I could even possibly put a refrigerator in here. No, it's too narrow. I can tell it's too narrow. It wasn't designed for it. This is a coat closet. Look, it's even got some coats. This is the filter that I've purchased for sucking all the dust, making the room better. Here we have a bedroom. There's a built-in right there. And the walls have got the first coat of paint. He'll come through and clean up areas that aren't quite perfect. The bathroom is really still got some work left to be done on it. But it's getting there. Okay. So this is the master behind the plan who's bringing it home. This is Anthony, and you can see he's spraying the walls in the home theater, and I'm painting them a variant of black, and there'll be flat black on the ceiling. We still need to finish a little bit of work on this top part of the wall and whatnot. There'll be a big movie screen here. My speakers will all fill in these big holes, and then the projector will be where this power cord is over here, and projector over here. So that's what we've got so far. And then you can see we did the drywall on the stairwell. It's all coming together. And you come down, and then here's the hallway coming back around and coming out. So you can see we're really making some progress, and tomorrow we'll have the flooring will show up and he's probably going to start laying the flooring this week. The floors aren't level, so we need to get about 10 bags of concrete and self-leveling and everything. Get the floors leveled out right here where when you walk in. That's a big problem. I really wish I had done that before the walls, but this is our first big project, so it's been quite the learning experience. This is Anthony's work. He's finishing up the job. He's a fair price, quality work, no drama. So if you're in the Martinsburg, West Virginia, down to the Winchester, Virginia, or surrounding area, and you need help with decks, remodels, paint, drywall, bathroom, leave your contact in the comments below, and I'll make sure to personally connect you with Anthony. After the year I've had with Contractors, if I can save even one person from that stress, it's worth it.